Your brain is running on a cocktail of chemicals right now. They decide if you feel happy, focused, calm, or anxious, and most people have no idea how any of them work. These chemicals are called neurotransmitters. They carry signals between brain cells. The right balance means clarity, motivation, and peace. The wrong balance means everything falls apart. In the next 4 minutes, we are decoding 10 brain chemicals, what each one does, what happens when it is too high or too low, and how to actually fix it. Chemical 1, dopamine. Widely called the pleasure chemical, but that is wrong. Dopamine is the anticipation chemical. It fires before the reward arrives, not when you actually get it. Too much dopamine from cheap sources, scrolling, junk food, gambling, desensitizes your receptors. Real life stops feeling rewarding. This is why dopamine fasting works. Your brain needs to reset. Chemical 2, serotonin, the contentment chemical. Not excitement, contentment. It is the quiet feeling that right now, in this moment, things are okay. You are safe. You are enough. Critical fact, 90% of your serotonin is manufactured in your gut, not your brain. Your gut microbiome directly produces the chemical that controls your mood. Feed it accordingly. Chemical 3, cortisol, your stress hormone. In short bursts, it is essential. Sharpens focus, raises energy, prepares you for danger. Chronically elevated, it becomes one of the most destructive chemicals in your body. Chemical 4, oxytocin, released by physical touch, eye contact, hugging, and genuine connection. It lowers cortisol, builds trust, reduces fear, and is the biological reason other people can make you feel safe. Chemical 5, GABA, the brain's primary braking system. It is an inhibitory neurotransmitter, meaning it slows neural activity down. Low GABA is directly linked to anxiety, panic attacks, and insomnia. Chemical 6, glutamate, the opposite of GABA. Glutamate is the brain's accelerator, the most abundant excitatory neurotransmitter. It drives learning, memory formation, and neural plasticity. Without it, your brain cannot adapt. Chemical 7, norepinephrine, also called noradrenaline. It drives alertness, focus, and attention. When it surges, you notice everything sharply. Low norepinephrine is directly linked to ADHD, depression, and inability to concentrate. Chemical 8, endorphins, your body's natural painkillers, chemically similar to morphine, released during exercise, laughter, and physical pain. They create euphoria, block pain signals, and explain why crying can sometimes feel like relief. Chemical 9, acetylcholine, the first neurotransmitter ever discovered. It controls memory formation, learning speed, and muscle contraction. Alzheimer's disease is characterized by the progressive destruction of acetylcholine-producing neurons in the brain. Chemical 10, melatonin, produced by the pineal gland when darkness falls. It does not cause sleep. It signals that sleep is appropriate. Blue light from screens suppresses it for up to 3 hours. Now here is what most people miss. These 10 chemicals do not operate independently. They form a network. Change one and you change all of them. The brain is a system, not a collection of parts. It destroys chemical balance, chronic sleep deprivation, processed food and refined sugar, social isolation, chronic stress without recovery, sedentary lifestyle, alcohol and recreational drugs. These are not moral judgments, they are chemical facts. What restores chemical balance? Resistance training, 7 to 9 hours of sleep, real human connection, sunlight, whole food nutrition, meditation, cold exposure. The interventions are not complicated, the commitment is. Let's recap. Dopamine drives anticipation, serotonin creates contentment, cortisol manages stress, oxytocin builds connection, GABA calms your nervous system, glutamate activates and drives learning, norepinephrine sharpens your focus, endorphins kill pain and create euphoria, acetylcholine forms memories and controls muscles, melatonin signals your body that it is time to sleep. These are not abstract biology. Every single mood you have ever felt, every memory you have ever formed, every moment of calm or panic, all of it was one of these 10 chemicals. The single most important takeaway: your lifestyle directly and measurably shapes your brain chemistry. You are not stuck with how you feel. You are stuck with what you do. Change the behavior, change the chemical. If this video helped you understand your brain better, share it with someone who needs it. Most people spend their whole life inside a brain they never understood. Now you do. That is every brain chemical decoded. Next video, we go deeper into the psychology of how your brain makes decisions, forms habits, and why it fails you.